To replace your Nissan Kicks key fob battery, you'll need a few simple tools and materials. First, you'll need a new CR2032 lithium coin cell battery. These are inexpensive, typically costing $1 to $5 and widely available at drugstores, supermarkets, or online retailers like Amazon. For best results, consider buying an OEM battery or a trusted brand like Duracell or Panasonic for longer lifespan. You'll also need a small flathead screwdriver. This will help you open the key fob case carefully. Alternatively, or in addition, use a plastic pry tool. These are automotive trim removal tools that are gentle on the fob's surface and help avoid scratches that metal tools might cause. These tools are all you need for a successful battery replacement. Work in a clean, dry area and dispose of the old battery properly. First, locate the small notch on the side of your Nissan Kicks key fob. Insert your flathead screwdriver or pry tool into the notch and gently twist to separate the two halves of the fob. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the plastic casing. Some models might have a small screw securing the case. Remove this first if present. Once the fob is open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. Note the orientation of the battery with the positive side up. Use your screwdriver or pry tool to gently lift the battery out of its compartment. Avoid touching the circuit board directly to prevent static damage. Take your new CR2032 battery and place it into the compartment with the plus side facing up, matching the orientation of the old battery. Ensure the battery is seated securely in the compartment. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob, ensuring the components fit together properly. Snap the two halves back together firmly until they click into place. If your model had a screw, reinsert it and tighten it securely. Finally, ensure the fob is securely closed with no gaps or loose parts. Now that you've reassembled the key fob, test the new battery by pressing each button to ensure proper functionality. Start with the lock button. Press it, and your Nissan Kicks doors should lock audibly. Next, test the unlock button. Pressing it should unlock the doors. Finally, press the panic button to test the alarm activation. You should hear the horn and lights flash. If the key fob doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation with the positive side facing up. Also ensure the battery makes good contact with the terminals inside the fob. If problems continue after checking these, take the fob to your Nissan dealer for professional assistance. Replace the CR2032 battery every 1 to 2 years to prevent unexpected failure. Nissan's key fobs typically last 12 to 18 months before showing signs like reduced range. Avoid exposing your key fob to extreme temperatures or moisture. In cold climates, battery life can drop to just 6 months, while humidity increases corrosion risk. If water gets inside the fob, dry it thoroughly before reassembling. Moisture can corrode battery contacts and circuit boards, as shown in this disassembled fob example. If you're uncomfortable performing this task yourself, a professional can do it for you, but expect to pay significantly more, $50 to $100 versus $10 to $20 for DIY. Professional service also helps maintain any extended warranties.